Yeah. Wait, can you not? You can't hear the music in Twitch? Hey, Surly Dove. Can you hear the music at all? No. Okay. I don't know what to do here. It says that's all I should have to do. Um, okay, let's try audio MIDI setup. Multi-output device. We're going to create a multi-output device so you can output your desktop audio to both iShowU and headphone speaker. Why is this so complicated? Uh, yeah, let's just do a Discord thing. Okay, so we'll just make a Discord channel and then people can, or like a Discord group. So I can do general. We'll go in general. Hello. Yep. Okay, I'm in there. Oh. Okay, cool. You're in here too? So if anyone wants to talk with us, you can go into the voice channel, the general voice channel. And then you'll be able to hear us both. Um, the invite link? Oh, for Discord. Oh, yeah. It should be, yeah. It should be on Twitch. Yes. Um, I'm doing good. How are you? So for anyone who wants to join the Discord, you can join here, and then you can join the audio channel to hear Solvin until I actually finally get this figured out. Um, okay, so I don't, I don't know. That's cool. Yeah. While I was figuring out the audio problem. Yeah. Okay, so back to the content. So using only HTML, make a fully interactive web app. I wish this was 3 lines. Um, hmm. Well, the reason why it's not 3 lines is because I had this padding. So it would fit, but I didn't like how close this was. Like, I don't like how close this is here. I think it's this one. I think it's probably this one. Yeah. Yeah. I think, though, that... Okay, I guess I'm still not used to this one. You like this one? Huh. Yeah. Okay. So using only HTML. And then what, maybe I can make this text smaller or something. Because I don't want it to like get in the way of the video area or the side area. That's better. How does that feel? Using only HTML, make a fully interactive web app. Okay. And then this section, he suggested user accounts and CRUD out of the box easily. Well, we can skip that. Host yourself or deploy to our cloud with one command. Okay. Oh, you think it looks good as it is? Okay. Well, let's try this. So we have the original here. This is the live site. And then we have using only HTML, make a fully interactive web app. List to read on this side. User accounts and CRUD functionality. User accounts and CRUD out of the box. Host yourself or deploy to our cloud with one command, open source. I think we could get rid of open source. Yeah. Right. Mm-hmm. Yeah. So Surly says they would flip that. So you would put host yourself first? Host that sentence first? Oh, deploy to the cloud or host yourself. Or deploy to our cloud, I think. Deploy to I think it's I think there's a better way of saying it. Like instantly what does Zeit now say? So they're like the people. Develop, preview, ship. Oh, okay. This like very. I mean, it's cool. It's got a lot of buzzwords, but not exactly. Where do they have deploys? Oh, instant static deployments. Okay, so like maybe like play the code with one command or host. Oh, I like that too. Yeah, no, I agree. I agree. Um, maybe like instantly deploy with one command or host yourself. I feel like cloud is such a boomer word, you know? I just really want to say boomer. I didn't like I wasn't in on that whole okay boomer thing, and now I want to be, even though it's over. Um, but I don't know. I think cloud is actually a little bit old school. User accounts and CRUD out of the box. Instantly deploy with one command or host yourself. I don't know. It's a little bit weird. Deploy to someone else's computer on the interwebs, or you can host it on your own interwebs. I like it. User accounts and It's no, it's true. I agree with that. Quirky wording helps. But I think, yeah, I think if it was quirky wording around like the main value prop, that would work. But I don't think the main value prop is deploying. Like it's definitely a good part of it, but I think we might cut out the or host yourself, you know, because it feels like it ends with an exclamation point here, right? And then it's like or da da da. I don't know. Mm. Mhm. Right, right. So Sarly Dev said, so the guy who sent me this feedback, he said it was like huge. Like he would want to know about that really quickly because he found out about it like it's he found out about it I think when he went to the docs. Even though on the homepage we mention it here, it's kind of like tucked away. Um, so he was saying like it's such a huge feature to have that easy deployment built in. You should highlight it more. And I kind of agree with him. And it was like a hard feature to build, so I'm kind of partial to like highlighting it. I don't know, but I think you do make a really good point though, as far as like user counts and CRUD being the main value, right? I mean, I think you're right. Like a lot of places do have deployments. It's a hard thing because I think the whole idea behind Remake for me is that like you can have an HTML file and a CSS file, and you can just like throw those up, and you're done, right? And so deployment is kind of part of that. Um, but I think also it's more important to focus on the CRUD and the user accounts. So I don't know. I don't know. I think this is kind of fine. Let's see. Using only HTML, make a fully interactive web app. User accounts and CRUD out of the box. Instantly deploy with one command, or host yourself. Maybe we do a dash there. Nice. Or host yourself. Or host, maybe, or host it yourself. It ruins it? Oh, okay. Okay, nice. Using only HTML, make a fully interactive. I'm gonna like screenshot this real quick. Okay. Using only HTML, make a fully interactive web app. User accounts and CRUD out of the box. Instantly deploy with one command or host it yourself. I kind of like it. Feels pretty good. Okay, and now let's look at the original. Get a product into people's hands by tomorrow. Sorry? Oh, this one? Yeah. He was saying that that would be much better than a video of my face. Which yeah. Yeah. Like, yeah, like remake, create, remake, deploy, and then it's like your app's available here, and then that's just like a link. Like it could be like as simple as this, like remake, create your app. Mm-hmm. Say that one more time. Sorry. Uh, each step, like, are you? Hey, Servoxels, we're in the Discord chat, by the way. If you want to chat with us, um, we're talking about the remake. We're in the audio chat. Um, this is for the website that lives at remaketheweb.com. So you can go there right now and see it. And we're just trying to brainstorm the headline because a lot of people didn't understand what it was. Um, post that again just in case. Um, mhm. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I think that's a good idea, but I like, I'm probably like gonna just push this out and then work on it again in a few days. So, um, yeah. But I think, yeah, but I think even just replacing this maybe in like a couple days with something that just like shows commands being typed in and then like the eventual result of like the app that you can just like the link you can just click on, like if it was just like um, uh, install remake G and then so if it was just like this typed out, then this typed out, then this typed out, and then it was like deploying, and then it was like your app was available here, and then you could just like click on this link um, to like go there to like the test app, right? So if that, I don't know, that's at like Kanban. Um, then they could click there and they could try it out, and so then that's a way to get them into like this app quicker. Um, but yeah, I think I am going to finish up the stream soon, but I'll add this in and I'm going to deploy the new site as well. So you all will be able to see it. I've just been streaming for a little while now, so I'm getting a little tired. Okay, so I'll put that in there. But I super appreciate everyone's help. It's very helpful. Okay, so add that. Okay, and we'll see what this looks like once we save it. And we gotta take down this text a little bit. Title, font size is 68. We'll go down to 64, I guess. Wonder if that's going to affect all the pages. Okay, how does this look? So Surly Dev says, I think you have 3 good points on the first slide screen. Can you not narrow it down to 1 point at a time? What you're saying on this page? Easy Cloud Deploy. So you're saying like down here, that's where we should talk about the other stuff? Surly Dev, I'm not exactly sure what you're... Yeah, are you saying like we should that there should be bullet points, or that these should each be separate sections of the page? Okay, so each separate sections? One point at a time. I guess I do kind of see the point. Like we are kind of trying to cram a lot into this top section. User accounts and credit box. It is a lot, I think. Whereas this one is a little more focused. Like I like the fact that this says CRUD functionality, for example. But I also don't know exactly what Surly Dev is suggesting. Also, I think this might get a little bit away from like what Remake is in terms of like a framework. Like, I don't know, I guess this one doesn't really touch on it being a framework either. I don't know. Does it feel like a framework? A framework that has user counts, yeah. Let's try that. Yeah, I like that. Right. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, sorry about that. Someone. Yes. The viewers say hi. Hi.
Hi.
She says hi.
Are they upset because I'm making a sandwich?
They were wondering if you were doing dishes.
Sorry. I gotta eat.
They ask how you are.
Do they know I'm pregnant?
No.
Oh, I'm good.
She says that she's good. Did you guys hear that? They know now.
Oh.
So we're pregnant. You guys are some of the first people to know. She asked me not to announce it on my stream, but
I can't remember who announced it to.
Yeah. They say congratulations.
Thank you. Don't tell my family yet.
It's been 2 months?
A little over 2 months.
Little over 2 months. I believe that is the right way to say it. We. Well, yeah,
There are differing schools of thought on that, I know.
yeah. But the responsibility, I will. Do you prefer I say we are pregnant or you are pregnant?
Maybe we're having a baby.
Okay, we're having a baby. We've now announced it 3 times. Yeah, very exciting. Yeah, please don't dox me. Um, okay, so yes, very exciting. Um, but back to more important matters. Yeah, can the baby be on the stream?
What do you mean? Like
Like-
here?
Yeah,
Okay.
okay. Be a live streamer from before they were 1 year old. Perfect. That'll get me lots of traffic.
Baby style, man.
Thank you, Surly Dev. That means a lot. Okay, so nice. Feels good. Feels better than this one. Yeah. Okay, nice. And then we'll have the tour here too. Okay. I'm not sure if this works across browser yet, but I will just deploy it and let people find out. But I'll also test it. I'll test it on like my iPhone and stuff. Oh, one thing I didn't do. So if you're down here, you click Start Tour. It's not. It's not going to be clear. So I think I do need to just scroll the page up. Does anyone know how to scroll to the top of an element using jQuery? I think it's supposed to be easy, I think. Scroll to. Is it just scroll to? Okay. So people are saying scroll top. Let's see. I'll test it out. So we'll do jQuery, and then we'll pass in the selector. Scroll to. It's Windows, right? Yeah, you got a scroll bar at the bottom. Yeah. Is it on the side too? I think so, but I don't. Yeah, I probably should. So is this what you're thinking? Scroll to? I don't think it works. Oh, you got, okay. Okay, so we'll do this. No, scroll to is still not a. They might have removed it. Okay. It would be really good. Yeah, it's pretty nice. I think there's actually a product that does this. It was just released the other day, and I think I'm going to switch to that from OBS. Um,
Oh,
mm,
you can do it with CSS and Schriftform
that's true, but the button needs um, but the button needs to do other stuff too, so it can't just be an anchor link. Um, oh, maybe it was a.
Link with JavaScript system. No problem.
Sorry, say that one more time.
You can set an anchor link with JavaScript. The code that you're running just redirect it.
Um, not exactly. Not exactly sure what you're suggesting. There's also, you know what I can do? There's just this like built-in one in the browser. Scroll into view, and I believe it's supported in most major browsers. So we can just call this on the actual element. So just do this, scroll into view, and then it'll just be like that. Um, yeah. No, it doesn't let you add padding. That's the reason I don't like it. But I think well, we could scroll like this one into view, I guess. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I guess this would be the best one. So then it would just scroll you up there. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I'll do it. Um, I'll do it. Even though it's a little extra work. Okay, so code example. We got the code example, so we're gonna add a little div up here. Relative, and then we gotta. Oh yeah, we can just actually use this as the one. Okay, so scroll to for code example. We'll just rename this. Scroll to. Okay. So then we're going to go into our CSS for the code example. We'll just put it right here. And we're going to say position relative, and then it's going to be however far we want it to be. Up, so like minus 24 pixels, something like that. Yeah, it feels like Python, right? You're just missing Python. Yeah, I know, it's super nice. I wish JavaScript was more like that too. It would just be, it's like so pointless, the semicolons and everything. It's like, well, why not just default to clean code?
You don't need to work with the comma.
Sorry?
Transcript to semicolon, you don't need it.
Most of the time you don't need it, but if you could like mistakenly call a function sometimes. There's like a few specific cases where it's really important and it can cause like really weird bugs. So, but yeah, you're right. Yeah, yeah. But I mean, if you know the rules, you can kind of like a lot of sorry, like minifiers for code. They'll just like put a semicolon at the beginning of the script to like prevent any other like code from interfering with their code. But yeah, you're right for the most part that you don't really need semicolons. Okay, so start tour. Where's our start tour? Right. Where is our start tour? Right here. Okay, so here we're going to do a document query selector. Oh, I almost forgot like a huge thing. This code is going to run on every page, but this code example isn't on every page. So I'm going to need to fix that. Okay, so down here, start tour, boom, scrolls you up. And we can pass in some options. Smooth. So I think just behavior. Okay, so now scroll down here, start tour. What? What was that? Did you guys see that? What is that? I think it's totally confused. Maybe it's interpreting that as this. Maybe you need to put all of them in? I don't know. Oh, jeez. When like the native API is more confusing than like everything else. Okay, I mean, that's fine, right? I'm not going to make this perfect right now. That's fine. It just instantly pushes you up there. Okay. Oh yeah, and this is what I was thinking about using, but I don't think this supports Twitch. But I think there is a platform that does support like viewers that can call in to your stream. I think that would be cool. I'm gonna look into that more. Okay, so the other thing I need to do is just make sure this tour code. Oh wait, it actually might only be on the homepage. Yeah, I must have only added it to the homepage. Yep. Okay, cool. So that's only going to load on the homepage. Okay, cool. Okay, what did I do? Scroll to. Okay, scroll to. We'll like emphasize the new header text because that was a lot of work. And scroll to. Okay, and we're going to merge this a little recklessly into Remake into master. So we'll do git merge. Nope, that's not how that works. Custom. Okay, merged in. We'll push that out. Oh no, what happened here? Oh, I guess it's good. Okay, so the updated website should appear within a minute or two. Stream severe comment. There's a really cool one. Who's StreamYard? Oh no. Really? Very weird. A bare button? I'm not getting that. It looks fine to me. For the start tour? Okay, this is the one I was thinking of using, Ecamm Live. And there's also StreamYard, I guess. Okay, so you sent it to me? I think I might know. Yeah. So this is why you want to use like a static site builder instead of the way I'm doing it. Because then you have to cache bust all of your scripts manually and replace 89 occurrences across every file. And it's super fun. Okay, let's not save that one and save all. Cancel. Where did this? Oh, this one. Get that. I want to save this. Page process. Oh, where did I save that? Downloads. Okay, that's good. And all the rest of them saved, right? Okay. Okay. So that should update within a few minutes. I can't really test it though because I didn't get the same bug. I might have my DevTools open or something. That's good? Awesome. Awesome. Okay. Well, I'm going to head out, you guys. Salvin, thank you for talking me through all of this. It was very helpful. Yeah, it was really fun. I'll try to get one of these, like either Ecamm Live or StreamYard going. Should work on a Mac. It won't like let me do as many things as OBS, but it also won't crash every time I like open up a program or switch the screen. And I'll be able to like bring guests, which will be cool. No, the Streamlabs doesn't. But this one lets you like bring guests too, and it lets you like put, I guess, like see reactions or something. Oh, really? What? Ooh. Yes. Awesome. That's awesome. That's awesome. I wonder, do you think this would solve the audio issues? Okay, awesome. Okay, I'll definitely check that out. Okay, well, thank you everyone for coming, and I will see you guys probably on Thursday. Have a great weekend. Bye.